cool.
Rocket! 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 Baby Rocket!
If there is a competition to find the one line longest, he's definitely a potential champion. You can sleep wherever you want when this whole world is already your home. Nothing is left on the floor after the robot finishes, and is pretty determined with that target. Me every time lying on the sofa and then want to get something. Oh, come on. That chair is especially designed for your owner, buddy.
Guys, don't fight.
High five, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five, high five. This is the laziest fight.
That acts so